Hello friends, welcome you all in this new video. In this video, we will discuss some important scientific instruments and their uses. So, without getting late, let's get started. So, this video is going to be very important and interesting. So, don't skip it and watch till end, okay? We have the first instrument, altimeter. What does it do? It measures altitudes in aircraft, okay? Is it clear? And the second one is ammeter. It measures electric current. And the third instrument is anemometer. It measures force and velocity of wind and directions. And the next instrument is audiometer. It measures intensity of sound. And the next instrument is Volometer. It measures heat radiation. And the next instrument is Calorimeter. It measures quantities of heat. We have the next instrument, Cardiogram or electrocardiogram ECG. Okay, what does it do? It traces movement of the heart recorded on a cardiograph. And the next instrument is Chronometer. It determines longitude of a vessel at sea. And the next one is Colorimeter. It compares intensity of colors. And the next one is Cryometer. It is a type of thermometer used to measure very low temperatures, usually close to 0 degrees Celsius. And the next instrument is dynamo. It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. And the next instrument is electroencephalograph, means EEG. Okay. It records and interprets the electrical waves of the brain waves recorded on electroencephalograms. And we have the next instrument, electroscope. It detects presence of an electric charge. And the next instrument is endoscope. It examines internal parts of the body. Okay. And the next one is Volometer. It measures depth of the ocean. Galvanometer measures electric current. And the next instrument is hygrometer. It measures level of humidity. And the next one is hydrophone. It measures sound underwater. And the next one is hypsometer. It determines boiling point of liquids. And the next instrument is Kymograph or Kymograph. It graphically records physiological movement, example blood pressure, heartbeat, etc. And the next instrument is Electrometer. It measures the relative density of milk to determine purity. And the next instrument is Micrometer. It determines the speed of an aircraft in terms of the speed of sound. And the next instrument is Manometer. It measures the pressure of gases. And we have the next instrument, Micrometer. It measures thickness, width, wavelength, diameter of hair, wool, radiation or cell or bacteria. Okay. And the next instrument is microphone. It converts sound wave into electrical vibrations. And the next one is microscope. It obtains a magnified view of small objects. It often used in lab. And the next instrument is periscope. It is used in viewing objects above sea levels, used in submarines. Photometer. It compares the luminous intensity of the source of light. And the next instrument is polygraph. Instrument that simultaneously records changes in physiological processes such as heartbeat, blood pressure, and respiration, used as a lie detector. And the next instrument is Pyrheliometer. It measures components of solar radiation. And the next one is Pyrometer. It measures very high temperature. And the next and very common instrument is radar. It is used to detect the radiation and range of an approaching aeroplane by means of radio waves. Salinometer. It determines salinity of solution. And the next instrument is sphygmometer. It measures blood pressure. And the next instrument is stereoscope. It is used in viewing two-dimensional pictures. Instrument is stethoscope. It is used by doctors to hear and analyze heart and lung sounds. Stethoscope. And the next instrument is telemeter. It records physical happenings at a distant place. And the next instrument is thermostat. It regulates temperature at a particular point. And the next instrument is tonometer. It measures the internal pressure of the eye to detect a disease. And the next one is odometer. A rain gauge to measure the quantity of rain. It measures the quantity of the rain. Odometer. And the next one is ultrasonoscope. It measures and uses ultrasonic sound beyond hearing, used to make a echogram to detect brain tumors, heart defects, and abnormal growth. And the last instrument is a viscometer. It measures the viscosity of liquid. So friends, that's all for today. See you in the next video.